Hello friends, do you know what is diseases actually and how they are helpful to us, or you can say how they are our friends? Yes, of course friends, they are our friends. In this video we will talk about this topic, that how diseases are our friends, especially acute diseases. So my name is Dr. Roopal Maheshwari. I am a homeopathic physician. So let's start today's topic. So we all know that if there is any pain or fever, it is known as disease. It may last for short duration or many days, or it may become chronic. Also, foreign matter comes out of the body in several ways, from lungs, through our breath, through millions of pores in our skin in the form of sweat, through urine and stool. If foreign matter of our body is not expelled normally through these outlets, then nature is forced to do so by unusual means. Those unusual methods of expelling foreign matter from the body is known as diseases, and in the language of science of nature cure, these are signs of basic diseases. In reality, disease is the foreign matter which has accumulated in the body long ago, and to expel it, nature adopts unusual methods like fever, loose motion, diarrhea, etc. In this way, to protect the body, the attempt of nature in expelling foreign matter is called disease or symptoms of disease. Each disease is another name of the attempt of body to expel accumulated poison in the body. In other words, the accumulation of foreign matter in the body is known as diseases. Disease is a sign which warns us that our enemy, foreign matter, has entrenched itself in our body and we should be alert about it. The condition of disease is different from that in which there is no discomfort or pain in the body and all the organs are functioning normally. It is because of wrong living habits that blood becomes impure and there is change in the condition of health and disease appears. Therefore, it can be said that health and diseases are two states of the same thing, or we can say that diseases are the defense mechanism of our body to protect us from outside enemy. In the beginning, when the disease is dormant, it remains as foreign matter in any particular organ or all over the body. Then the disease has neither any name nor form, but is foreign matter appears in its attempt to come out. It is known by different names. Long before a boil appears, it sees what's shown in the body in the form of morbid matter. That it had no name or form, and without our knowledge it was growing in our body. But when that same seed after some time takes the form of a boil, uh, there is many forms and names like carbuncles, boils, smallpox, etc. Similarly, the accumulated waste matter, according to time and circumstances, sometimes appears as fever, sometimes is loose motions, and sometimes in other forms. The case is the same, though the results are different and are known by different names. After understanding that disease is present in the body in two forms, that is in dormant form and second in outward form, it is difficult to say if a particular person is suffering from disease or he is completely healthy, because even if he appears to be healthy outwardly, there may be some diseases in his body in dormant state and may appear outwardly when circumstances are suitable for it, and then we feel the disease with our senses and we give it a name. It should be clearly understood that in no body a disease takes its form suddenly. It takes many days for the disease to take its outward form. The dormant state of the disease is much more dangerous than its outward state, and sometimes it is more fatal also. The reason is that when the disease takes outward shape, the poisonous foreign matter in the body, which is the cause of the disease, comes out easily, and um, the body is without any disease. In a few days, if poisonous foreign matter had remained in the body, it would have slowly damaged various organs in the body like termites. This is very dangerous state of disease. It would sound very strange if we say that disease appear in a person to make him healthy, but this is 100% true. We see every day that a person who was quite hefty before falling ill becomes lean after being ill for 2 months and feel very light. Aiding this, we should first see why he became ill in the first place and why he became ill at the particular time. In fact, the person was ill for several years, though it was not observed by him and others because it was in dormant form. As nothing was done to remove it, it took roots in the body and began to grow. In the end, when it got suitable environment, that is wrong diet and way of living, that small plant of disease becomes a big tree of disease and becomes visible to others. At this stage, we regard a person to be suffering from disease, though he was suffering from it long back. Now it has only become visible. In other words, we can say that because of undisciplined life of past several years, drop by drop poison accumulate in his body. In the end, the body was full of it. Now no more poison could accumulate in the body. Is no more water could be held by a pitcher which is full to the brim. Now the poison accumulated in the body must find its way out. Nature, according to its rules, would not allow the poison and foreign matter to remain in the body of the patient. Therefore, nature adopts several ways to expel them from the body of the sick person, and we call them diseases and give them various names when we go far away from nature and violate its rules all the time, while eating, while breathing, while taking rest, while putting on clothes, and even while thinking. Then nature, like a good mother, scolds us for our own good. That sweet scolding of nature is known as disease. From this point of view, disease is the result of our mistakes and foolishness. So this is all about the diseases, what is they are actually, and what is the importance of acute disease in our body. Please like, share, subscribe our channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.